Good morning. I am Dr. SHAHNAWAZ, Assistant Professor of JAYOTI VIDYAPEETH Women's University. Today we discuss about the concept of slope of lines. This is the most common and most important contents of quantitative techniques as well as knowledge, methodology. Slope of line. One of the most important properties of a straight line is in how is angle away from the horizontal are called slope of line. This concept is reflected in some things called slope of line. The slope of a line is a number that measures stiffness or flatness of the curves or of the line. It is the change in y axis for a unit of change in x along with the line. The slope of a line is number that describe how steep it is. In the figure above press reset, notice that for every increase in 1 unit to the right along the horizontal x-axis, the line moves down a half unit. It therefore has a slope of minus 0.5. To get from point A to B at any curve, at any line, along any line, because the line slope any line, we have moved the right 30 units, draw the 15 units. Again, this is a half unit down for every unit across, because the line slopes downwards to the right. It has negative slope as x increases, y decreases, vice versa. If the line sloped upward to the right, the slope would be positive numbers. Adjust the point above to create a positive slope. Formula for slope lines. Suppose if a student want to find out the slope of at the point of n, then formula of slope line is rise divided by run. That means the change in y-axis divided by change in x-axis. Change in y-axis, that means the y2 minus y1, and change in x-axis means the x2 minus x1. Direction of slope line, positive slope. Here y increases as x increases. So the line slope upward to the right, the slope will be positives. The line on the right has a slope about plus 0.3. It goes up about 0.3 for every step of 1 along the x-axis. That means both direction of both axes on a line is positive in same directions, also called positive slopes. Y decreases as x increases. That means direction of y and x is opposite. They are called negative slope. So the lines slope downward to the right, the slope will be negative numbers. The line on the right has a slope about minus 0.3, it goes down about 0.3 for every step of 1 along the x-axis. That is the negative slopes. Zero slope, y does not change as x increases. That means direct change in y is constant, but x is increases or decreases. There is no any change in y axis. That is the called zero slope. So the line is exactly horizontal. The slope of any horizontal line is always zero. The line on the right goes up and down as x increases, so its, its slope is zero. Undefined slope. When line is exactly vertical, it does not have a defined slope. The two x coordinates are the same, so the difference is zero. When you divide anything by zero, the result has no meanings. The line above is exactly vertical, so it has no defined slope. We can say the slope of line AB in any line AB is undefined. Thank you.